Welcome to Software Craftsmanship. ReplicaSet. We'll see what is ReplicaSet in this video. In my previous video, I have seen how to create pod. So now ReplicaSet contains number of pods, especially when you have a scale out scenario to when some pod is fail, automatically it has to be created one more pod, or a set of pods labeled with some label, and ReplicaSet can be monitored. In couple of scenarios we require this ReplicaSet. We will see overall the Kubernetes architecture in this series. Let's talk about ReplicaSet only in this video. So I have created two YAML files. One is ReplicationController and other one is ReplicaSet. These two are almost same, and it is the older version or the older way of doing ReplicationController, whereas in ReplicaSet is a newer way of doing the replication set. The only difference, the major difference is selector in ReplicaSet, whereas in selector we don't have that match labels option. We'll discuss about the real scenarios. For right now, we'll see the syntax, how to create, how to play with these commands only. So as we have seen earlier also, the kubectl create -f whatever the YAML file. So in this YAML file, the kind whatever you are, I think it's RS, whatever the property you are giving value, based on that it will create either pod or service or ReplicaSet, etc. Now we'll see how many pods got created. If you notice that it create 3 containers with the name frontend, because we have specified the ReplicaSet name is frontend and replication factor is 3, so it has created by default 3 containers with that name. But the current status still it is creating, it's not running. We'll try once again. Yeah, now it is running all the 3. Similarly, we'll see the older version syntax. It is almost same. I have given 3 here also. This is an nginx ReplicaSet and controller and image as well. So if you notice, totally we'll see 6 with the name of front, and 3 image containers has been created, and nginx also. So all are running now, no partially, so almost right. And now if you want to update replication factor from 3 to 6, you have see in the RS file it is still remain 3 only, but we can scale up through command line by giving the replica 6. It is created. Now if you see this, you have 6 front-end containers, and few are running already, so all are running now. So similarly you can update, delete everything. So overall we have seen this video. replication controller and replica set and replication controller. We'll talk about in detail this match labels later, but very high level, whatever the label you gave here, front end, and the same way here, so then it will try to monitor those labeled pods in this replica set, because you may have n number of pods, but how does Kubernetes knows which has to be monitored? So when it is failed, automatically it should be replaced or scale out, all that stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. We'll talk about in detail in further videos.